Good day, class. Welcome back to our class on simple interest. And today we're going to be talking about rates, time, principle, how to solve questions on them. Just a small principle you're going to understand. That is change of subject of formula. You understand? There will be a topic on that later. But because of this, we're going to use the idea from change of subject of formula. So in the previous class, we defined interest to be principal times rate times time over 100. Now I want to make R the subject of the formula or P or C the subject of the formula. I'll start with one of them. Let me say I want to make P the subject of the formula. I'll say I times 100 equals to PRT. Making subject of the formula means only one of them will be here. So I divide this by RT. In this case, we are making P the subject of the formula as the principal. So in that case, have P the principal equals to I 100 over RT. This is the formula. In the same vein, we have that the rate is equals to I 100 over PT and T equals to I 100 over RP. You understand? So these formulas are used when we want to solve questions like that. So I'm going to solve questions on this before we look at this example. This is a more complex scenario. So for this, let me say I have a question. I say a man invested a certain amount of money and at the end it accrued to an interest of 200 naira. And it accrues to an interest of 200 naira in 5 years at 2% per annum. Full stop. How much was invested? In this case, we are looking for what? We are looking for the what? We're looking for the principal. So say principal equals to I 100 over RT. The interest is 200 times 100 over time is what? The time is 5 years and the rate is 2%. So this year 100, here 1, here what? 20 times this is what? 2000 naira. So 2000 naira was the amount that was principal that was invested at that rate this time to give this interest. So the same way you can also solve other questions on rate, time using the same principle. Just input your values and you get your answer. So be that as it may, we're going to now look at this question here. This question, we're going to solve it, but that will be after the short break. Thank you very much for watching. Welcome back to the class. Look at this question. A sum of money invested at 5% per annum simple interest amounts to this. Rate equals to 5%. Simple interest amounts to, so the amount A equals to what? $285.20. The time is 3 years. You say, how long will it take the same amount or the same sum to amount to? Okay, let's solve for this first. Because amount is what? Principal plus interest. So amount equals to principal plus interest. We don't know the principal, do we? No, we don't know the principal. So we just say principal plus, what is the interest? Formula for interest is principal times rate times time all over 100. So that is principal plus principal times rate is what? 5 times time 3 over 100. That gives you P plus 15P over 100. That is for amount. So the amount is equal to P plus 0.15P, which is 1.15P. Okay, this is the amount we got. And you say this same amount is equal to this. So you see, but amount is also equal to what? $285.20. So you have it to be that 285.20 equals to 115P. Divide both sides by 1.15 over 1.15. Cancel. Therefore P is equal to, what is our P? We have our P equal to 285.20 over 1.15. 285.20 over 115. Divide by what? 5. 5 here gives you what? 23. 5 here gives you 5. Remember 3. In 35 gives you 7. Into not possible, I put 0 and 4. Right? So that is equal to over 23. So this is equal to 5704 over 23. 23 here 1, 23 here is 2. So 46, remainder 11. So in 110, it's going to give us 4. So I have 23 times 4 is giving me about 92. I was having 110. 110 minus 92. It yields what? It yields 18. It yields 18. So 18 is remaining here. 184 all over 23. That will be what? That will be 8. Yes, so this is 248 for the principal. $248. And they said, how long will it take the same sum to amount to this? Okay, for it to amount to this, that means the interest now. This is the second part of the question. The interest now will be equal to this sum, this amount that you are having now, the new amount new minus principal. That is 434 minus 248. This will give me 1. Okay, let me just make it explanatory. Minus 248, and that is 1 here. Remaining 2. 14 minus this is 6. Then 42 minus 24 is what? 18. So that's our interest. How long will it take? So we are looking for time now. Time is equal to I new times 100 over PR. I'm using I new because the new interest, not like the other interest that we used here. So we say I new was 186 times 100 all over, what's the principal? 248 times rate is what? 15 over 2. 2 here 1. 2 here is what? 124. This is 186,000 over 124 times 15. Now when you are solving calculation, your mind should be going to know the multiples that work. You must be thinking ahead of time. So here now I'm thinking ahead of time, and this is what 62 can divide this number, and 62 can divide this number also. So 62 dividing this number is 3. 0, 0, 0. 62 dividing this number is 2. Okay, there are multiples of 62. So that's why it's good for you to know your multiples very well, so that I can solve exam questions without the use of calculator. So you have 3000 over what? 30. 3000 over 30 gives you what? 3000 over 30, 0 cancel 0, here 1, here 1. So that is giving you about 100 years. Right? 100 years. This 2, this 3, 30, 100 years. Okay? So that's the end of today's class. This is the end of the class on simple interest. Please, if you have any questions, just do well to ask us a question in the comment section. Click the subscribe button, like our videos, and share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching.